And where do you see the future of cryptocurrency going?
So there will be a one world leader, a one world government that's coming up. 5% of the population is using crypto right now, which is similar like when the internet bubble started in 2012.
Be ready. Your local bank is going to start offering wallets real soon. Your local government is going to start regulating it.
But people wouldn't even know. Ask your grandma, does she know that her data is stored on AWS? She wouldn't know. So I see the same with blockchain technology and crypto, that it will be part of everyday life.
Today, we are at the largest crypto conference in Dubai, Token 2049, and I'm asking the crypto millionaires here their best crypto advice. What advice do you have for beginners to make money with crypto?
I wouldn't tell you now, but it's $1,000 per day.
In order for you to be able to wing it, you have to have some form of understanding. So I definitely would say
If Bitcoin went to zero, what would you do? Right now, if it just went to zero.
Not gonna lie, I might start kissing some ass.
That's what you said?
I might start kissing some ass. I probably might sell my ass, bro. Like, so, hey, no diddy though.
I'd become a Forex trader pretty quickly, I think. Yeah. I'll become a Forex KOL.
If Bitcoin goes, crypto goes, everyone here has gone back to Web 2 and like back to the office jobs.
What's the best advice you have for beginners to make money with crypto?
First off, get your very, very first Bitcoin. Even if you can't afford the whole Bitcoin, at least a couple of sets.
So when you start off trading, you're going to lose a lot of money. That's called tuition fee. Make sure that it's not a lot of money. You do not need to risk the house when you're starting. You just need to risk enough.
Risk portfolio, bankroll management is very important, whether you're spot trading, whether you're meme coin trading, whether you're trying to leverage trade and use like 100x leverage. Manage your risk and your bankroll.
Watch a few YouTube videos. Understand what blockchain is, what crypto is. Educate yourself a bit. Information is available everywhere online. Don't be lazy. Don't try to answer a DM from a random guy. I can make you $1,000 with just $10. Don't do that.
Don't go based off what the hype is. Go off of what your actual intelligence and your brain tells you, and also a little bit of gut feeling.
If crypto didn't exist, where would you invest your money?
Where would I have the money to invest?
Yeah, where would you invest your money?
But if crypto didn't exist, where would I even have money to invest? So it's like a double-edged sword. We're back on LinkedIn searching for like admin roles and marketing jobs and stuff.
Good question. Maybe real estate or like Forex or something, because you can do some like leverage trading on Forex as well.
I think AI, connection with crypto and AI, so DeFi, it's also a big market.
Real estate, for sure.
yeah, definitely real estate, a lot of fintech projects as well.
And where do you see the future of cryptocurrency going?
So there will be a one world leader, a one world government that's coming up that's going to implement this payment service solution, and everybody in the world needs to get this mark. And I believe this mark is going to be possibly this neural chip in the brain, right? That you cannot buy or sell without this neural chip. And the payment, it's going to be digital currency. We don't know which one, but Bitcoin is the father of it all.
Definitely higher. Right now we're sitting around like a 2 trillion market cap overall, which might seem like a lot to the average person, but the S&P 500 alone is 50 trillion, way behind stocks. And I feel like this bull run, like we're still not over. It's going to be an institutional run. Now there's banking clarity, countries bringing in like crypto reserves. So all of this will definitely like bring the overall crypto higher, and like 2 trillion compared to 50 trillion on the S&P, not that mentioning the Nikkei, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the FTSE, all of this, we're definitely going to go higher. And banks are overexposed into their stocks holdings and way underexposed into their crypto ones. So we're just going to see that institutional adoption drive up the prices over time.
The only thing I can say, I see crypto going further from like what we even expect. I feel like we are still new. I saw a take the other day saying that only, 5% of the population is using crypto right now, which is similar like when the internet bubble started in 2012. So I'm like, and then we have so many builders right now. So the sky's the limit with crypto, honestly. The sky's the limit.
Seems like we're going to be seeing a lot of adoption and a lot of integration with traditional finance, intersections with also DeFi and the traditional banking system. So be ready. Your local bank is going to start offering wallets real soon. Your local government is going to start regulating it, and you're going to now start seeing who's actual legitimate crypto project or cryptocurrency and who's not at the end of the day.
I see it being like an underlying technology of day-to-day applications. It will be like Amazon Web Services. Like every big application, the data is stored on AWS, but people wouldn't even know. Ask your grandma, Does she know that her data is stored on AWS? She wouldn't know. So I see the same with blockchain technology and crypto, that it will be part of everyday life, but you wouldn't necessarily know. And right now, I think it's not user-friendly. You have to create a wallet, you have to memorize your 12 words, and people that are not crypto natives, they struggle a little bit, and I think that's kind of holding up mass adoption. But once we do it in a way where it's just like, you know, when you sign up to like a website, you can just click on Google, it has your password and you're in, you have an account. If you can do that with your wallet and trading accounts, where people don't even know the intricacies of crypto, then we can have mass user adoption.
From last half year or like 9 months, of course it got down, but on the beginning it was very hot, you know, with virtuals and all the different topics. This is the topic that we should look, because AI, it's here to stay. And if you connect it with blockchain and with crypto, it's no-brainer. Next step of evolution of blockchain.
You're just going to be very similar to the same way, you know, the innovation took place when people were walking around with gold, and then it went to cash, and then it went to your bank account, and now it's on a decentralized exchange or centralized exchange, whatever it may be. I feel like it's going to be something that's accessible to everybody. It's going to be normal, it's going to be natural, it's going to be fluent, and people aren't going to look at it as cryptocurrency. It's going to look at it as this is a way of life.